All right, sir. Introduce yourself, sir.
Okay, thank you. My name is Ndigbo Emenike Okpaga, Ukwu, Ndigbo na Bokono, Ndigbo government.
Why are you here today, sir?
Thank you. Our brother, our colleague, Ndigbo Mushi PC Umeh, is doing his New Year festival, and I've come to celebrate with him. You know, as an Igbo man, as an Eze, the essence is to carry the culture to wherever you are. So the culture of New Year, which we have done in the East, now what we're going to do here today.
So how do you assess today's event?
Wow, what can we do? What can we say? It was beautiful, it was good. Our prayer is that it shall be a continuous thing. Future will be brighter for all of us.
So what message are you giving to parents out there who don't teach their children culture and tradition?
Thank you. I'm going to advance myself because I know that we are not doing very well, including myself. But with this one now, we'll be preaching it everywhere we go. Our culture must not die. Our culture must not be extinguished. We need to teach our children how to speak the language, all the important traditions, and I encourage everybody to ensure that going forward, those that have lost, we have to regain it by doing the right thing.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.